Yeah, welcome to the foundation of finger roll tricks. And in this lesson I will show you the basic finger roll tricks you must know to improve your skills and getting better. So we're just starting from the basic ones. What I'm doing, I'm just turning my hand like this, and by inertia we made the slide by the neck of the bottle. So like this, look, I'm turning and then I'm sliding, and the bottle goes with the one spin only, and then catch it to the reverse grip again. So one more, and the same with the other hand. Also, this variation of the trick you can do from this way. So going, for example, I'm using the right hand now, and I'm going here from the right to myself, not from the front to myself. We're doing it from this way, not just from this way. And we're going from this way with the half of the rotation, and then making the slide here also, but by inertia, not just like here. And you can do it like separately, like this, and then make the slide and catch here. So in the beginning, like this, and then like this, and catch to the reverse, or just catch to the straight, as you wish. Also with the other hand. Yeah, it's like the basic trick. The next basic tricks, guys, it's just one spin rolls. So the all invert rolls I will show you now. So it's like normal, this one around the palm. So what I'm doing here, I'm just holding the bottle closer to the bottom, and I do the invert roll quick to this way, and the bottle goes, look, around my palm, and I catch it here. So like this, easy, really easy trick. I don't want to concentrate here too much because the tricks are really easy. You see the people doing just this one, a lot of guys doing this one. So this is the normal thumb roll. Taking the bottle in the middle of the body, just doing the roll around the thumb. So the normal just a thumb roll, we're doing the behind and like the both hands. And the next I will teach you how to use all of the tricks in the next lessons, So the invert from the bottom, this one, and also invert thumb roll from this way. You're just doing taking the bottle by the reverse grip and do the thumb roll in this way. So not the way you're doing, just look, my position of the bottle in this way, and I'm doing just this thumb roll and the both hands. The next one, it's like the old spins between the fingers. The first one, it's like me starting in this position. Look, my palm is up and between ring and middle finger, then going up and putting the index finger, and look, my hand already changed the position from this way to this. And after we just throw it. So all together it looks like this. 1, 2. This is the first way. Then we can do from this way, between our thumb and index finger, and we're doing just with the middle finger, changing our hand position in this, then joining ring finger, and then just throw again. So and all together it looks like this. 1, 2, 3. So easy. 1, 2, 3. Exercise you need to know for the creating the finger rolls. It's a palm push. So from each hand. So look, it's like from right, I'm throw the bottle and do the palm push. How I do it? So just throw the bottle, and by my palm in this part I'm pushing the bottom and the bottle rolling, and I'm catching to the reverse grip. And also with the left hand. Guys, the revolver streak. The revolver streak, also the beautiful basic finger. So has a different variations. For example, this one, or this one. And I will teach you all of them. So the first one, the normal one, it's like between thumb and index finger. We're going up. The bottle just do one spin around the index finger, and then we catch and continue around the thumb. Do it separately. 1, 2, 1, 2. Also with the other hand. And the next one, next variation, it's like we're starting from this way, from the bottleneck. We're doing just rotation around our palm, catching here, and also continue with the thumb. So one more, it's like 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah. And the next one, put 2 fingers, little and in ring finger in this side, and the oldest finger stay here, and the thumb also with the little and ring finger. And we do just one rotation. Look, we do one rotation, and we're already in position. We did the tricks before, we did the versions before. Just thumb and index, and just continue. So all together, 1, 2, 1, 2. So that's all tricks you need to know for the basic. If you know, go to the next lesson and watch the next. If you're not, just learn it quick and go to the next lesson too.